So here's Glam AI app. So this is the app for girls to use AI and find the best AI makeup recommendations. This is for guys. There are apps like UMax or LooksMax in AI. Here's the for girls. So just take a selfie of your bare face, plot a makeup look you love, and receive your custom makeup routine. Glam AI is your ultimate makeup AI companion, transforming your inspiration into a look that's uniquely you. Want to achieve your dream look effortlessly? Glam Up AI is here to guide you every step of the way. We believe everyone should feel empowered and confident in their own skin, and we are committed to providing you with the tools and knowledge to express your beauty effortlessly. Uh, so that's just what it is. Let's just open it up to see how it might work. So if you have a referral code, then you just need to enter. This will help you out to use this app for free. And then, yeah, you can just go and create your account either with Google or. So just go and create an account. And then upload a bare face hair back selfie of you. So here is just as an example, like, yeah, so for example, here is some like test photo just to show you around. So, and then basically this is a bit different from Umax or like other apps. In this app, you actually upload a makeup look you want to recreate. So probably you just search like an image somewhere online, or you know like some star or some influencer has some specific makeup you like, and then you just upload that image. But then eventually it will ask you for upgrades. So I will just show the process, and here you just have this. And then reveal your custom glam routine. And then basically this app can give you some recommendations, some products, and what you need to achieve the look. And then if you want to upgrade, then it's like $14 per week. So it's not cheap. And of course, this app is using AI model. And then, yeah, if you see this, you can just cancel the first pop-up, and then you will get a 50% discount. So that's, yeah, you should know this trick. Don't upgrade on the first time in these apps. Just cancel upgrade, and then you most certainly you will get some kind of offer, some kind of a deal where you can upgrade. And then, yeah, you can also just invite 3 friends. So here is 3 friends. You can just go in there and try to use this invite codes. So that's how you can use these codes, and then basically that's the idea. So yeah, that's the process of the app. So it's a bit different from other LooksMaxin apps. LooksMaxin apps are apps where you just upload your selfie, and this app recommends how to improve your look. In this app, you actually upload your target makeup, and then this app is helping you out. So there is another app called Glam App, which has much more ratings. In this app, you upload your selfie, and it just gives you recommendations, so it's different. I also have a tutorial of that one. I also have tutorials of guys apps like Umax or LooksMax AI. So yeah, that's what it is.